In this fast-paced world, knitting a sweater is a time to slow down because sometimes it's okay to just sit, knit, and breathe. And what I love about this beautiful new Aravis sweater pattern by Emma is that it allows you to pause and unwind. Everything about this design captures the timeless beauty and symbolism of duality. For example, life can be both challenging and restorative. We can experience freedom while also having a sense of responsibility. And we can find strength in vulnerability. And this gorgeous sweater embodies the graceful balance between sophistication and comfort. This meaningful design blends elegance with practicality. It has a wearable, comfortable fit, so it will be a sweater that you will reach for again and again for your daily tasks, while at the same time being truly beautiful and luxurious and something you will feel absolutely lovely wearing. Aravis has this lovely simple yoke with these beautiful little eyelets dancing along it, and of course this gorgeous lace on the body and on the 3/4 length sleeves. And the very cool thing about this design is that the designer chose to use a different but coordinating color for the lace part to just give it a little bit more interest and to focus on the concept of duality. But of course it would look beautiful in a single color as well. And I have to tell you that this lace pattern is very simple and very soothing to knit. And as you work the stitches, I think it will give you time to reflect, and after a while, it's going to become very rhythmic and very meditative. And to finish off the lovely lace, this design is complemented with a beautiful ribbing around the neck, the sleeves, and the hem. And another wonderful feature of this design is the seamless construction. It's worked top down in the round, and this is so nice because it allows you to try the pattern on as you go, so you're going to end up with the perfect fit. So if you want it longer, you're just going to work more lace repeats. You also have the option of making bell sleeves instead of fitted sleeves, and to do that, you just don't work the decreases for the lace. And just keep in mind when making adjustments to the pullover that the lace part can stretch when blocked, so you just want to be aware of that when you're knitting. And to give this pattern a super soft, dreamy, silken feel, while also having elasticity and wearing well over time, we use our luscious Crema Sock yarn. I designed this yarn because I wanted a yarn that does it all. It has silk, so it has a sumptuous shine and a nice luxurious appeal. I also had it spun with a high twist, like a typical sock yarn, so it's gonna last well over time, bounce back, and really hold its shape. So it's the best of both worlds in that it's both luxurious and practical, and it really complements this design so nicely. And I'm going to be giving away 3 skeins each of the beautiful allegory and abandoned Crema Sock that we used to make this pattern. So if you would like to enter, just make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know if you have ever knitted lace before. You can download this pattern and get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com, and while you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. So as I was saying, this lace is very soothing, it's very simple to knit, and so today I thought I would demonstrate for you just how easy and how relaxing it is to work. For round 1, we're going to start with a knit 2 together and another knit 2 together. Then we'll work a yarn over, a knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, and yarn over. Then we need to work a slip, slip, knit. So slip the next stitch and the next stitch. And we'll knit those. And again, slip, slip, knit, and then a knit stitch. And you'll continue working that repeat around your sweater. For round number 2, this is a nice soothing round. We're just going to go ahead and knit every stitch. So it's a good round to allow your mind to calm, find some tranquil moments, and just knit away. And the repeat for round 3 is the same as round 1. So we'll start with a knit 2 together, and then work another knit 2 together, and then a yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, yarn over, and then we'll work a slip slip knit, and another slip slip knit, and finish that repeat with a knit stitch, and continue working that around your sweater. Round 4 is another round of just knit stitches, so another nice and soothing round. You'll just knit every stitch all the way around. Round 5 starts with a knit 2 together. Then we're going to work a yarn over, knit, yarn over, knit, 2, 3, yarn over, knit, yarn over, then we work a slip slip knit, and then we're going to work a central double decrease. So to work that, you're going to slip these next 2 stitches as if you were knitting them together. Then you'll knit the next stitch, and you're going to grab those 2 stitches that you slipped and lift them up and over. Round 6 is another nice and easy knit round, and I love how this design intersperses the knit rounds with the lacy rounds, just to give your mind a little bit of a rest. For round 7, you're going to start with a yarn over, and you're going to knit the next few stitches, and when you have 3 stitches left in your repeat, we're going to work another central double decrease. So yarn over, and then slide the next 2 stitches as if to knit them together, knit the next stitch, and then pass those 2 slip stitches up and off. And for rounds 8 through 12, you're just going to work knit stitches. So this is our lovely little lace. You can see how easy and how simple it is to make. And it truly is that simple. I think you're really gonna love working this lace and making this gorgeous sweater. It truly is a stunning piece that I think you're gonna absolutely love. I hope you have an enjoyable time knitting this beautiful piece, my friend. I hope you treasure it for years to come, and that it brings you many tranquil moments of gratitude and peace. So thank you for hanging with me today. I hope you have an amazing week, and I'm gonna see you next week with another new design. Bye!